Look, it's my box. My new ZX3. Cause someone left and took the camera with them, so I had to buy a new camera for you guys. Now we're gonna film with this. Now I need to open this. What? I don't have a knife. Wow, I need a knife. Oh. What? Open. Oh, I have a knife now. It's like a tack knife. Oh. This is kind of hard. Don't fuck up. Oh, cameraman, he do his job this time. This is a beastly knife, man. Wow, no, bitch, gunk. Don't know how to use that. Oh. I have the question about my order. Oh, don't look at the address. Look. Oh. Do you see the praise spot just for you guys? Wow, clearly this bubble wrap fails. I broke it.
Eric is genuinely happy.
When? How I open? Oh, wait, it's blue. I'm gonna open this now. Don't forget.
Wow, stop failing.
What? Oh, fuck. The Kodak ZX3 or the Play Sport. Oh. So shiny. Oh. Flip around for you. Oh. This is the most legit unboxing ever. I'm gonna put it right there. Right? Oh shit. Oh. Fuck. Oh. HDMI cable. Better 7004. It's a wrist strap. The USB. It's a manual. Look at all my goodies. Legit. Look the box, man. I know. Look, man. What? Double tap. Just for you, we make the video. Look. Even got the adapter. Yeah, so we just unboxed my ZX3. So I'm gonna play with it now, and I'll show you guys the video later.